My company is Microsoft's chosen solution for test automation for D365 and Power Platform applications because we can test outside of those applications. So it's not just specific to Microsoft, but it's an agnostic solution designed for any type of level of experience with automation. I think just the amount of people that we're getting exposure to is the value that DynamicsCon is bringing to us. We have the busiest booth here and everyone's really excited about our product. I think my favorite thing about the Doug community is just how open people are to learning new information and how receptive people are to understanding what you do and also sharing information about what they do.